All right, so for my next project with AI, I decided to start experimenting with AI agents. So I'm using a program called n8n. It's super popular. You'll see it all over TikTok, so that's where I came across it. But it's super user friendly, very cool, and just as kind of a beginning project, something that I wanted to try, I made a agent that will scrape my email inbox. It will look for any mentions of different AI tools that might be out there. And once it finds those, it's going to go ahead and take those and put them in a Notion spreadsheet. And that's helpful for me because I like to try out a bunch of different tools. I get a bunch of newsletters every single day and I forget about things and I don't want to go back through my email. So I decided I'd give this a shot and see what happens. So you can just see very quickly, I can trigger the scrape of my Gmail. I have a Chat GPT model that if you go in, you can see the prompt, which calls out everything of like what I'm looking for, some examples of what that might look like. Um, it's going to go into this if statement to filter out anything that comes back with a none variable, so I don't get a whole list of things that are inaccurate. I had to map the fields and then my Notion database. So I went ahead and I sent myself an email to test this out. And so we'll execute the workflow and you'll see it scraped it, went through the GPT model, and then eventually landed right on Notion. So it went really quickly. This is my free Notion account. You see, I had an email about n8n. So it was the Hey Bud email, the one that I wrote, and it says the date. So super cool, something really fun with the help of ChatGPT in some troubleshooting and some bug fixing. I would just take screenshots of the troubles or things that weren't working, shoot it over, ask you what was going on, and it would give me some troubleshooting options. I was able to build this fairly quickly, and it's very cool. It's just an intro project. I have some other ideas coming up that I'm going to try to tackle, and then I might share these as well. But yeah, for building an agent, n8n, highly recommend.